everyone. Today we are going to show you vertebrate animals, which are fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. We went to Paradise Wildlife in Hertfordshire last week. Stay with us to see some exciting animals including anaconda and dinosaurs. Animals are divided into two categories mainly. First one is invertebrates, which have no backbones. For example, earthworms, bees and bugs. Second one is vertebrates, which include amphibians, fish, birds, reptiles and mammals. These are bugs which have no bones. They are invertebrates. Our first group of vertebrates are fish, and they breathe through their gills. Next one is amphibians, which can live both in water and land. Toads, turtles and frogs are all amphibians. Next one is alligators. They can live both in water and land. They are amphibians and they are reptiles too. Reptiles are cold-blooded and they need lots of sun to keep them warm. That's why we don't find many reptiles in England. They mainly live in Asia and Africa. Reptiles have dry scales to reduce water loss from their body. Reptiles lay eggs. Dinosaurs are also reptiles and they lay eggs too. Largest snakes are anacondas and they mainly live in water, but they can live in land too. Do you remember the name of the animal who can live in both in land and water? Yes, it is amphibian. This is an otter. It is an mammal and an amphibian too. These pigeons were our pets. They flown away and we were very sad. Birds are warm-blooded and their feathers keep them warm. All birds cannot fly. This is emu who cannot fly. Emus live in Australia and they can run up to 30 miles per hour. They are the second largest birds in the world. Largest bird is ostrich and they cannot fly either. Emu's eggs are big enough to make 4 omelets. Can you tell me a bird which cannot fly? Did you guess penguin? Penguins cannot breathe in water, but they can hold their breath for a long time in water. Turkey is a bird which cannot fly. Next one is mammals. They give birth to babies and they are warm-blooded. Mammals have thick fur to keep them warm. We are warm-blooded, but we need a jacket. King of jungle, the lion is a mammal too. They mainly live in Asia, Africa and Europe. Do you know that lions sleep for 18 to 20 hours a day? Fastest animal in the world is cheetah. It's also a mammal. They can run 70 miles per hour. Zebras are also mammals. Their stripes are unique to each zebra, just like our fingerprint or DNA. These camels are only seen in China and Mongolia. How many mammals do you see in this picture? Yes, you got it. It's 3. We humans are mammals too. Thank you for watching. Please like our channels to see some more exciting videos. Bye bye.